Creating a stunning website begins with choosing the perfect template. It's like finding the ideal canvas for your online masterpiece, the first step in building a site that truly represents you or your business. The templates at Wix are crafted by professional designers and come with everything you need to get started, including sample content, color themes, galleries, inner pages, and built-in business features. First, go to Wix.com. Click on the navigation point Products and select Website Templates. Scroll down and browse through the pages. To help you find the template that best suits your needs, the editor templates are organized into categories and subcategories based on business intent. Once you find a template you like, you can choose to either edit or view it by clicking the corresponding button. Remember, all the templates are fully customizable, so even if a template doesn't exactly match your vision, you can modify it to fit your requirements. If you click View, you'll see the template in its full size. You can switch between the desktop and mobile versions of the design by clicking the icons in the navigation bar. By clicking the Edit this site button in the upper right corner, you can start customizing the template, making any needed changes to the design and content. If you choose Edit, a pop-up will appear where you can add some information regarding your content. The AI tool assists you with your site text. You can enter details about your site, including the type and name, then click on Generate Site Text and let the AI work its magic. From here, you are free to make any changes needed for your website and design it in the style you like. For design inspiration, you can take a look at some website examples built by real Wix users. The link is in the description below. And if you don't find a template that matches your business or website idea, you can always start with a blank template. If you have any feedback or questions, please let us know in the comments below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. It would mean the world to us and really helps us to make these videos. Thanks, and good luck with your website.